We now come to the next part of algebraic expression, and that is division. So again, as we have the multiplication of monomial with monomial, then monomial with binomial, and then binomial with binomial, and then binomial with trinomial, and trinomial with trinomial, and so on. Similarly, we will be having different kinds of division also. Now when we talk about division, it's going to be very easy because it's just upon and you are going to do cancellations when it is related to monomial. So whenever it is like monomial to anyway divided by the monomial, so if it is, for example, over here it is given as minus 24 x square y square z cube, or 5 divided by, you are having it as 6x y raised to 5 z raised to 4. Okay, so if this is the condition, what you are going to do is you are just going to write it in the form of division, that is 24 x raised to 2 y raised to 3 z raised to 5 upon 6x y raised to 5 z raised to 4. Now here what is, you do the cancellation, 6 यहाँ पे गया, ये गया, इधर 4 मिला, right? Now you can see over here x goes over here. So what we'll do is that you can either do it this way, or what you can do is use the exponents method. So as the exponents method, what will happen is the answer will be minus 4 x raised to 2 minus 1 y raised to 3 minus 5 and z raised to 5 minus 4. So that will be minus 4 x, this will be y raised to minus 2 and z raised to 1. Because this is minus 2 here, we can always take it in the denominator to make it as minus 4xz upon y square. This would be the final answer. Okay, so this is the way you are going to do it. So that is how we are going to have the answer. So in this way you can see that division, when we are doing, we are going to use the formulas of exponents, that is a raised to m divided by a raised to n will be equal to a raised to m minus n, and also if a raised to minus n rahega, so it is 1 upon a raised to n. This is the two formulas what we'll be using. That's why we see over here we use a formula over here like this, over here we use a formula like this, and over here we use a formula like this, and then because this was minus over here, we took it as denominator में ले लिया उसको. So that is how we are going to do the monomial to monomial kind of a division. Now let's see if I am having one of the binomial divided by a monomial. So there won't be any much difference over here. Let's take an example. So for example, we are going over here, we can take directly a polynomial, not only a binomial. So we are taking over here a polynomial. We have it as 4x raised to 5 minus 3x raised to 4 minus 6x square plus 5x plus 8 divided by 2x square. So what you are doing is, you are going to write this as 4x raised to 5 minus 3x raised to 4 minus 6x square plus 5x plus 8, the whole upon 2x square. And after that, you are going to split the denominator. That means this can be 4x raised to 5 upon 2x square minus 3x raised to 4 upon 2x square minus 6x raised to square upon 2x square plus 5x upon 2x square plus 8 upon 2x square. Clear? Now once you have this thing, you are now going to just do the cancellations. So this is going to give you 2, this is going to give you 3. Now we are going to use the exponents. So it will be 2 x raised to 5 minus 2 minus 3 upon 2 x raised to 4 minus 2 minus 3 x square gets cancelled, so minus 3 will remain as it is. Here it will be plus 5 upon 2, and then it will be x raised to 1 minus 2, and this will be plus 8, so that will be 4, so that will be 4 x raised to minus 2, or we can take it directly as upon x square. So here also you know that this is bigger, so you can always take it as x raised to 2 minus 1. This gives us answer as 2x raised to 3 minus 3 upon 2x raised to 2 minus 3 plus 5 upon 2x plus 4 upon x square. Okay, this will be your final answer in this manner. So whenever you have got a polynomial divided by a monomial, you are just going to take that polynomial or that multinomial, divide each and every term by that particular monomial. That's the simple part. So division, when you are doing it with a monomial, it's very easy. It is just each and every term divided by that particular monomial. So that's easy. But now we are going to see the division of a binomial or a multinomial by a binomial. Okay, and this is very confusing also sometimes. So please see to it that you concentrate right now and understand how we are going to do this thing. Okay, so let's see this. I suggest that in this case, whatever I am showing in the rough work, you do that particular thing in the sum so that you are not making a mistake. So I will show you exactly what you need to do in the rough work and what you need to do in the fair part so that there is no confusion. So let's take a sum over here. We have got a sum as 6x cube minus 11x square plus 7x plus 5 divided by 2x minus 3. So basically what we are writing is this way: 6x cube minus 11x square plus 7x plus 5 divided by 2x minus 3. Okay, now let's start. We are going to divide. So we need some multiplication factor over here so that we get something like this. So what we do is, we take the first term here and first term here, that is 6x cube upon 2x. Once you cancel this thing, what do you get? You get it as 3x square. Now you multiply 3x square with 2x minus 3. So you get as 6x cube minus 9x square. This, so here 3x square you write over here. So whatever is the answer to this thing, you write over here, and this into this, that is this part you write over here, that is 6x cube minus 9x square. You need to do the subtraction, so signs change. This gets cancelled. This will become minus 2x square, and then 2x plus 7x will come here. We'll repeat the same thing again. So we have got minus 2x square upon 2x. So 2 gets cancelled and x square cancelled. So answer is minus x. So you write over here minus x, and then you multiply minus x with 2x minus 3. So that will be minus 2x square plus 3x. Write this answer over here. So it's minus 2x square plus 3x. Signs change. This gets cancelled because of subtraction. So this becomes 4x plus 5. Do the same thing again. 4x upon 2x gives you 2. So answer is 2. So write 2 over here. And now multiply 2 with this thing. So 2 with 2x minus 3. So that is 4x minus 6. Put over here 4x minus 6. Signs change. So you get it as, this gets cancelled, this is 11. So this gives you that quotient is equals to 3x square minus x plus 2, and the remainder is equals to 11. Are we clear? With this you need to do some verification also. The verification का formula क्या है? It is this way: divisor into quotient plus remainder is equals to polynomial. So this into this plus 11 should give you this. Okay, you can do that multiplication. That will be 2x minus 3 into 3x square plus minus x plus 2. Answer निकालो, plus 11 करो. you'll get the answer as 6x cube minus 11x square plus 7x plus 5. If you get that thing, that means your answer is correct. So that is verification in case you are asked to do the verification. We can take one more sum in the example so that you understand this thing much better. And yeah, so we'll take one more sum. Let's take the example number 4. So example number 4 is this way. Three x raised to 5 plus 7x raised to 4 minus 11x raised to 3 plus 8x square minus 32x plus 5 divided by 2 plus 3x plus x square. Now whenever you see such a thing wherein the divisor over here is not in the same manner as this, you can see over here it is descending, x5, x4, x3, x2, x1 and so on. Here it is ascending, 1, x this is 0, 1, 2 etc. तो इसको हम लोग उल्टा कर देंगे. So we will take this as ulta. So accordingly you will be having over here as in the divisor as x square plus 3x plus 2. And here you will be having 3x raised to 5 plus 7x raised to 4 minus 11x raised to 3 plus 8x square minus 32x plus 5. Now remember one thing, in case any of this number would have not been there, that means यहाँ पे 5 दिया है, 4 दिया है, समझो 3 नहीं दिया होता है, डायरेक्टली स्क्वायर होता, तो you would have to take 0x raised to 3 in between. Okay, whenever something is missing, you will take it as 0. So that means when you are writing this dividend over here, you will have it completely in the descending order. X raised to 5, x raised to 4, x raised to 3, x raised to 2, x raised to 1 and then 0. You cannot have anything missing in between. Missing अगर बीच में रहेगा and you try to solve, you will make a mistake. So that's why I'm telling you, in case, even in this case, यहाँ पे भी अगर कुछ missing है, तो that missing has to be completed. समझो यहाँ पे सीधा हो गया x square plus 2 दिया होगा, तो you say x square plus 0x plus 2. Okay, if you get an question like this, I'll just show you wherein we'll be using such a kind of thing. Yeah, we'll do one of the sum which will be having such a thing. Okay. Right. So now again, as I told you, what we'll do is the first part 3x raised to 5 upon x square. So this cancels to x raised to 3. So this will be 3x raised to 3. Now multiplying this with this, so it will be 3x raised to 3 into x square plus 3x plus 2. So that gives me 3x raised to 5 plus 9x raised to 4 plus 6x raised to 3. Let's put these values over here. You get 3x raised to 5 plus 9x raised to 4 plus 6x raised to 3. Subtraction sign, all signs change. You get it as this cancels. This will be minus 2x raised to 4 minus 17x square. And you get this down plus 8x square or cube. Same thing again. You are going to take the first one, that is minus 2x raised to 4 upon x square. So this will give you minus 2x square. So this you put over here minus 2x square. Now we multiply minus 2x square with x square plus 3x plus 2. So you get the answer as minus 2x raised to 4 minus 6x raised to 3 minus 4x raised to 2. Put the values, minus 2x raised to 4 minus 6x raised to 3 minus 4x raised to 2. Signs changed. This gets cancelled. This will be minus 11x cube plus 12x square minus 32x comes here. Okay. Again the same thing. I'll show the rough work here. Minus 11x cube or x square. So minus 11x cube upon x square. That will give you as minus 11x. So minus 11x into x square plus 3x plus 2. So that will be minus 11x raised to 3 minus 33x square minus 22x. Put this into values. Minus 11x cube. Yeah, we had to put over here minus 11x. So minus 11x cube minus 33x square minus 22x. Signs change. This cancels. This will become 45x square minus 10x plus 5. Okay. So last thing, 45x square upon x square. X square will cancel, is equal to 45. So it is 45 into x square plus 3x plus 2. So 45 comes here. So we got the complete quotient. Now we feed the remainder. So it is 45x square plus 45 into 3 will give you 135 x plus 90. You place over here 45x square plus 135x plus 90. You subtract them, you get cancelled. This will become minus over here, minus hoga. So it will be minus 145x minus 85. So the quotient over here is 3x cube minus 2x square minus 11x plus 45. And the remainder is minus 145x minus 85. Are we clear with this? This is how we are going to divide a multinomial by a trinomial. Clear? So this is very, very important, slightly difficult also. So mind well, what is the most important part are these rough works. How do we do this rough work? We are taking the first term, dividing it by the first term over here. That gives you an answer. So the answer is here, which you place it over here. Okay? Then you multiply this with this whole term. That is, this term with this whole term. So you get this value. This value what you get? You place it over here. You subtract over here. Subtraction यानी signs change. Columnar method. So signs change. You get the value. You get a new value here. This new value again you divide with x square. So we get over here new value divide by x square to give you new quotient. So the quotient will be this part. Now this part again you multiply with the divisor. So that is going to give you this value. This value put again over here and do the subtraction. You get this new thing which again you took the same thing. So we took the first term here and divided by x square. You got the value, put it over here. You multiply this with the whole term. So this is this into whole term. You got this answer, you place it over here. You do the subtraction. You get some new answer. So this particular part, first term, divided by x square. So first term divided by x square gives you new value. You place it over here. This into this again will give you this value. This value put it over here and do the final subtraction. समझ में आया? Right? This is how we are going to divide a multinomial by a trinomial or a binomial in any ways. You are going to see the first term of your dividend and the first term of the divisor. Going to divide it. Whatever is the answer you get, you multiply the whole divisor with it and gives the answer which you have to subtract. Very, very important. This is the most confusing part of this chapter. Okay, the division is the most confusing part of the chapter. So see to it that you practice properly of this particular part. Okay. So we start with exercise now. Exercise 10.4. We again start with the sums and we do the second sum of all the different ones. So it will be 10.4 first ka second sum. It is minus 3 upon 4 a square b cube by 6 upon 7 a cube b square. So it is minus 3 upon 4 divided by 6 upon 7. It is a square b cube upon a cube b square. Division will be reciprocal, so it will be minus 3 upon 4 into 7 upon 6. So you can do the cancellations here. And here you can see it will be a 2 minus 3 into b 3 minus 2. So this gives me minus 7 upon 8. This will be a raised to minus 1, b raised to 1. That is nothing but minus 7 b upon 8 a. This will be the answer. Because minus a1 to minus 1 is upon a. Right? So this is a raised to minus 1 is equal to 1 upon a. Therefore the a goes down. Okay? So exercise 10.4, the first answer is minus 7b upon 8a. Is it clear? We move on to second ka first, second ka second. That is 14 p square q cube, p square q cube minus 32 p cube q square plus 15 p q square minus 22 p plus 18q divided by minus 2p square q. Okay. So as I told you, we are going to take it as a complete denominator. So it will be 14p square q cube upon minus 2p square q minus 32p cube q square upon minus 2p q p square q plus 15p q square upon minus 2p square q minus 22p upon minus 2p square q plus 18q upon minus 2p square q. So whenever it is a polynomial divided by a monomial, we are going to divide each and every term of the polynomial by the monomial. So here on cancellation we get p square gets cancelled. This will give you 7 and q will give you 2. So it will be minus 7q square this minus gets cancelled and you get 16. So it will be plus 16 and this will give you as p 3 minus 2 q 2 minus 1. Okay. I didn't do over here. It is, or we can write over here 3 minus 1. Then what we have over here is minus 15 upon 2 and then we have over here p cancels with p and q cancels with q. So it will be q upon p. Here it's cancelled with 11, so it is plus 11 and p cancels with p, so it will be 11 upon pq and then it will be this cancels with 9, so and q cancels with q, so minus 9 upon qp square. So the final answer is minus 7q square plus 16pq minus 15 upon 2 q upon p plus 11 upon pq minus 9 upon p square. Okay, check up the answer. So Let's see. Answer is minus 7 q square plus 16 p cube minus 15 upon 2 p upon q, q upon p, 11 upon p cube minus 9 upon p square. Okay, correct answer. That was sum number second. We now move on to sum number third ka first. Okay, being the division part, let me take it in the next video. So I'll stop here for this video. Okay, we'll continue with the division, that is question number 3, in the next video.